Okay, let's go, mommy. Welcome to the world of Papa Beans! Mami, oggi stiamo facendo le zucchini. We're making zucchini today. Qual è la storia di questa ricetta?
Mia
What's
mamma
the story?
faceva la pasta con le zucchine perché disse che la pasta e le zucchine una diventava più bella.
Ah, my
Quella
grandmother
verde,
said that she
tutto si
made
faceva
this
molto più bella.
because it makes you more beautiful. It helps your skin, your outside look, and
Così hai che mangiare la pasta.
e così dobbiamo mangiare le zucchine. So
Con
we
la
have the
pasta.
zucchini con la pasta, and we're gonna make two types of pasta. We're gonna make the tuminia, which is what they call in Sicily the black grain,
Naturale.
and it's full of fibers. Tastes
La
wonderful.
tuminia è naturale, non
and
ingrassa.
we're gonna make this one. See, la mia mamma dice, my mom says this one doesn't make you fat. My mom is cutting the vegetables,
Ok.
and while she's cutting, I'm just putting here the pots. I'm having two pots because we're gonna make the two pasta. To make it, remember not to put salt. Okay, you put the salt when it's boiling, and I'm just gonna go ahead and cover. That way it boils faster. Ooh, we put a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. Mami, mette la cipolla. Vieni, mette la cipolla ora.
Ok, ora mettiamo la cipolla.
E ora qua sta.
Mettiamo l'aglio. Dina, apri la bottiglia della pasta.
Ora mettiamo la salsa. We're putting the tomato sauce now. We Italians wait until the water is boiling before you put the salt, because if you put the salt before, then what happens is it's gonna cause the water to boil earlier, and your pasta is not gonna cook as well. And here we're gonna put some of the pasta. Ooh, there it is. Papa Beans. It's time. It's time to put the zucchini when it's boiling.
Ok.
Ooh,
Okay.
boy, that looks good. So at a medium temperature, we're gonna now cook the zucchinis until they're nice and soft. And it doesn't take long, it's about 20 minutes, okay? Wow, the pasta is ready. I just tested it's al dente. I'm gonna put a glass of water, cold water, and I'm gonna turn it off. This is extremely important. You want the pasta to stop cooking immediately, because what it does, it changes the structure of the grain, and what happens is it makes it starch resistant. What this means to you is that your stomach is gonna have a harder time digesting it, so you're not gonna have the sugar rush. It means that your guts, or not your gut, you only have one, is gonna be very happy, and you know, it's gonna fill you up, and it's gonna keep you from getting hungry, and it's gonna increase your metabolism. This is why Italians are not really that fat. And then make sure you put some extra virgin olive oil so your pasta doesn't stick, and it really gives it lots of flavor. Quindi, mami, allora mettiamo la salsa. We like to put the sauce with the pasta, and we mix it. We get the spoon and we mix it here. You see, that's what we do. Now we serve it in the plate like this. You know? And this is another way to keep it from sticking too. And then we just put a little bit more of tomato sauce. Oh boy, that looks delicious. And it's ready to eat. Ora la proviamo. We're gonna taste it. Delicious.
Deliziosa.
How is yours, mommy? Com'è la tua?
Deliziosa.
The tumminia, I love it.